This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the iPad and connecting to Wi-Fi. This is necessary because activation contacts Apple servers. Make sure the battery is above half or plug it in to avoid interruption. Once connected, you'll enter your Apple ID and password. This ties the device to your account and removes activation lock if allowed. If it's a cellular model, insert the SIM or confirm eSIM settings now, because network registration can be required before setup continues. If the iPad shows activation lock, you must remove the link to the prior Apple ID, sign into iCloud. Com on another device and choose Find iPhone, then remove the iPad from the account. Once removed, return to the iPad and enter your credentials. If you cannot remove it remotely, contact Apple support with the device serial and proof of purchase. They'll verify ownership and can clear activation lock. Keep records handy. Because support escalations take time and clear verification. Complete the setup assistant. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, set up Face ID or Touch ID, and sign into your Apple ID. This finalizes activation and restores services. If you encounter errors, restart the iPad, try another Wi-Fi or a cellular hotspot, and if needed, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes Recovery to reinstall iPad OS. That can clear software-related activation faults. If activation lock remains, the single most important troubleshooting step is contacting Apple with proof of purchase so they can release the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.